Today I'm going to show you how to make a DIY bathroom basin. You'll want to throw out that broken basin in your home. The materials are very simple. Find 2 old basins, 1 large, 1 small. Cut off the rim of the smaller one. This will be placed inside the larger one as a mold. Remove all the rough edges. Like this. Put it inside. Get a piece of cheap foam. Draw a circle on it. This is to leave space. Fold the drain pipe later. Then get another basin with half a basin of water. Add cement into the water. Keep a 1-to-1 ratio between cement and water. Mix it thoroughly. It should become a liquid slurry. Brush machine oil as a release agent. Brush the bottom of the small basin too. Place the foam piece we just made. Put in the small basin. Make sure the foam is centered in the small basin. Put a few bricks on top as weights. This is to prevent the small basin from floating up when pouring the cement. Looks like the weights aren't enough. Let us add a few more bricks. Pour the cement into the gap around the edge. Fill it up and level the surface. Let it sit for 24 hours. Now it has time to remove the mold. Since we used machine oil earlier, demolding is easy. Use an angle grinder with a sanding wheel to smooth it. You can round off the edges that come into contact with hands. Also, make the drain area thinner. Polish it with sandpaper. That way, the sink will look more refined. Rinse it with water. We're about to apply a white primer. If you liked this video, please give it a like and follow. That is the best encouragement for my content. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave a comment. I'll respond to each one. Now, we paint the basin with white primer and a touch of blue for decoration. It instantly looks amazing. Finally, apply waterproof varnish. A simple, practical, and beautiful bathroom basin is complete.